Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'll be showing you how you can make up to $500 a day while uploading video on the site I'm going to show you in this video. So the site and how you can upload your videos and start making money like $500 a day. So this is my channel, and what I do is I make videos on how you can make money online using different strategies. Okay, so please hit that subscribe button to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell icon and to be notified each time I drop another video. Okay guys, this is the site I'm telling you about. When you go to your browser, you search for ramble.com. Okay, so when the site has opened, all you have to do is click on sign up button. Then when you click on sign up button, you click on free account. Okay, subscribe, upload and monetize. Okay, so click on free account and it will open. So you come down here, you put your name, you put the username you used for the account, then you type in your password and retype your password again. Then this is where you put your email address. After putting your email address, you retype your email address here. Then this is the country. This is where you put the country where you are living. Okay, so me, I'm in Ghana, so you can see they have different type of countries here. So if you are in Nigeria, you can select Nigeria. There, go to N, select Nigeria. This is Nigeria. Okay, this is it. So referral, you can put referral. Okay, put my name there, Edu Digitals. You can write my name there, Digitals. Then address, you put your house address. Then you put your address also. This is the city where you're staying, the state, and postal code. If you don't have postal code, you can go to Google and search for postal code in the location where you are. This is where you put your number. Then this is where you put your birth date, that the day you were born, the month and the year. Okay, then after that you click on this button. Okay, then click on register. But for me, I have account there, so I have to show you. Let me sign in with my account. Okay, sign in with my account. How the site looks like. Okay, now this how the site is like. So for you to upload video on this site, this is where you go. You see this plus button here, this button here. So you click on it. You see upload video, go live. So if you want to go live, this is where you tap, but we are not going live now. Okay, so click on upload video, click on it to open. This is where you put your video. You tap on it, then select the video you want to upload. Okay, so this is the video title. You put your video title here, then description, that is details, describe how the video is, and this is where you choose your thumbnail for the video. That's the picture, what people will see, that they will click on your video to watch. Okay, then add tags. If you don't have anything, you can leave it optional like that. Then channel, select the channel here. After creating an account, they will ask you to change it as a channel, so that account is now your channel. So put it on upload, then select your channel, then make it public, unlisted, private, schedule, and click on upload. Okay, when you tap on upload, please show appreciation by liking this video and sharing this video so that YouTube can promote this video to reach other people.